Apply a thick layer of moisturizing
Brush
milk.
to this blogger's a makeup.
Super nice. Must let go. And this sheep I drew earlier.
Acne makeup is a little light.
Adjust the color on your face first. Quick on a moisturizing foundation because we will need it later.
Put on some liquid high makeup.
Products you can't use lips.
Makeup foundation for film blocks. Paint this micro hybrid makeup. The shaping on the bone is important. Pull up this part of the noodles first and focus on the seasoning. The location of the eyebrow bone. Rub it like this and take a little grooming stick at this position where the cheekbones protrude. If it gets heavy accidentally, cover it with a puff. There's still some fish meal stuck in the jaw. Line this position. This position on the side of the forehead. A little bit, not too heavy. Blush, try this pink, feels good. Draw a W shape on the face. Tidy up the base piece again and let it clean up. Powder setting. On the eyelids, you must first open the limit before setting or use a darker color, not too light. Tap the back half of my eyebrow. Draw a flat shape where the segment hangs. Use an eyebrow brush to smudge the drawn lines naturally. I feel like the brow is drawn a little too close. Use concealer. A little wild. The feeling of raw eyebrows, but not too dense. Eyeshadow is very simple with one of these brown color base. Use a large brush on the eyelids casually. Swipe it twice and it's smudged. Use the tip of this brush to bring eyeshadow. Then put the eyelash curler up, and then apply the inner eyeliner, my black eyeliner. It's all used up, so I used a dark brown. You can also use black for the color. Fill the roots of the eyelashes first. Stick one of these wide parallel double eyelids along the curvature of the
Extend
corner
it a
of the
little bit
eye.
like this.
Connect back against the lower eyelid. Draw the end of the eye in the shape of this all-inclusive cat's eye. I feel like I already have one. Smudge the full with dark eyeshadow. Upper and lower eyelashes, stick these too. The effect of sticking to one side is quite more breathable. The style with naturally elongated eyes. This slightly drunk bag was sent a few days ago. What my sister likes is also these two eyelashes pasted. The grooming emphasizes the shape of the nose. Draw a V first. Narrow up and draw an open rhombus. Wrong applause. Matte highlight to tidy up the eyes. The bottom of the nose and the chin around the mouth. Must use this the small detail brush accurately brightens the position of the eye. Take the fish meal with eyeshadow, an eyebrow bone. The position of the nose is very small. 2-1. Do you feel my nose? The tip stopped at once. Who remembers what my native pen looked like? Sweep the T area with fish meal here. This one doesn't need to be too bright blush me. I want to stack another bean paste pink. With that tiny brush, just apply it partially and add a little emphasis. Point at these 3 locations. Give it another pat. Brew. Use lip liner to paint the upper lip thicker. The corner of the mouth is sketch the feeling of a little smiling lips, but don't widen your mouth horizontally. I chose the lipstick today and used this one, recommended by Autumn Fish. Apply to the inside of the lips. This saturation is pretty good. Don't apply the tall one all at once and use a lip brush to faint. Apply directly to the inside of the lip. Messy dots, a little freckles.
Then our makeup is done.
I like this eye makeup, facelift, blush and lipstick. It's not very everyday, it's more sensitive.
Photogenic type.